Hello and welcome to Automation Masters. Today is the 3rd of April and we are trading live with the Sumari AutoTrader Robot, trading during the London market session open. It is a beautiful trading day. Right now we are looking at USD CAD, and on this USD CAD you can see that we're holding a buy from during the Asian session, and we just exited that buy and entered a sell on USD CAD, which has gone down to this low. It is currently trading on a support trend line. We'll see if it is going to continue to break it, and the board will continue to hold the sell. But if it is going to change direction, it will then close the sell and get into a buy. Now let us quickly check on EuroCAD. We started buying over here. The market went up to that high and it kept on going back, and the board closed that buy and then re-entered into a new trade of a sell. And then around here the market went down, it came back to this high, and around here it closed that sell. It tried to buy, but it saw that the buy was not going to break this area, and then it sold again. It went down to this low. Right now it just formulated a support area and the market is going a bit up. If this sell is going to continue going down, it is going to hold it, but if it's going to change direction, it will change and start buying. Let us quickly check on US Tech. US Tech, I just entered a sell, seeing that a trend line, which is a resistant trend line there at the top, and then it's just opened a sell. And if this sell is going to push up down to this area and break it, is going to continue holding that sell. But if it is going to bounce and go up, it is then going to close the sell and get into a buy. So now this is a significant area. We'll see how it trades around there. But as you can see, the downtrend started over there. It went down, it retraced, it shot down. Any upward movement can't be a retracement up until it breaks this high. So as soon as it breaks this high, it would have broken that seller's momentum, and then we could be seeing a situation of a buyer's market. So but the board will decide as how it has been programmed with its AI tools, and then whether it's going to continue buying or selling. So now let us quickly look at USA 30. USA 30 just opened a sale over there, and we'll see if it is going to continue going down. I see here it's a supply area, and now the board has picked that this is a supply zone, so hence it opens itself. And if this sell is to continue going down, the board will continue to hold it. But if it bounces here and then continue shooting up, it will then close the sell and open a buy as and when the market moves at that direction. That is Dow Jones 30. Let us quickly look at ZAR USD. Now ZAR USD, KO USD broke that low, and then I see that it broke a significant support level. So with that with that significant support level, I see it was the first touch, second touch, and it was just forming a third touch around the zone. But it saw that that touch was not going to push the market up. It immediately sold, literally sold on a demand zone. You know, it takes a genius type of a trader or a genius type of a trading robot to understand that sometimes you sell where you've been programmed to buy. So as I told you before, that we are now trading on the side of the market makers. So now market makers cannot, you know, take us into a different direction and then they go the different direction. We go wherever they go. Hence we are now in on this beautiful sell on gold. Woo! We've been milking gold for a very long time now, you know, since we've started trading. I know you guys have been seeing gold has been making the most. Woo! This is a powerful gold digger. It's the Sumari AutoTrader Robot, baby. With this one sell, you know, I always tell you, you've paid your car installment, you've paid your bond. With this one sell, you're taking your kids to school. With this one sell, we are ending poverty globally, baby. This is the future of trading. Future of trading is automation, hands-free trading. We don't touch nothing, no emotions involved. You plug and play, and then you let the board trade. This is the future, and we are the frontiers of this magnificent industry. Our sell on USA 30, it shot down and it broke that level, so it's a beautiful trade over there. And the sell on US Tech Nas100, it's still going down as well, beautiful. And EuroCAD, see that it's sold there, it shot down. Remember, it was going up and then it didn't buy, it's still holding that sell, it's back at that area. Then if it is to continue breaking it, we'll still be holding that sell. Beautiful trade. Quickly look at USD CAD where it sold, and now it just opened the buy, so it looks like it was retracing. Now it's a continuation buy. We have caught a sniper entry. Look, we're buying on a seller's market. This is a supply level, it's a resistance zone, but it just bought. Now we're gonna see the bot pushing the market high, and for whatever reason, if the market is to go back down, we will catch a sniper entry selling. But right now we are still pushing up, trading on the side of the market makers. How beautiful is this? Don't sleep on this Sumari AutoTrader Robot, because right now it is still affordable to buy it, but as soon enough, it's definitely going to be going up. Right now it has gone up from last month. Do check the prices, latest prices on our site, and then obviously next month it's going to go up again. So get it while it's still affordable to do so. Don't come for the spot when it's already expensive and you're saying, yo, it's too expensive. I'm literally giving you guys the spot almost absolutely for nothing. So do grab it and taste the power of automation. It's time to trade.
I'm in the streets, so I'm grinding hard. Automation masters, we be raising the bar. Forex trading, we got the skill. SumariRobot, yeah, it's the real deal. Money flowing like a river, we don't play games. We stay focused, we stay in our lanes.